Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Where's Layla? There's Layla! Nail time. Doesn't it stink?
See?
It smells like trash, like a dumpster. Cool, boo. You like them?
Yeah.
Got her nails done, remember? I made him wait for an hour. An hour and 20. I'm sorry, but I got my nails done. We came to the Habit, and there's a bunch of firefighters out here.
Good? Good?
Yes.
Tickle, tickle? Your battery's almost dead. You outside? You taco head.
No.
Burger taco.
Burger taco?
Yeah, burger taco.
Girls' night out?
Yeah, but I really like.
Hello. I have not vlogged all week because I've just been going to school and my internship, and like the funnest thing I've done is like go to eat. Today's my sister's birthday, so I'm gonna get her balloons, and my mom's ordering some roses, so I'm gonna go pick those up once I figure out where to pick them up. Got the balloons. Look how lucky I got. They're all reds. That's great. Made it to Carlos's, and I got a sandwich from that place because I'm really hungry. And I'm just gonna edit until my mom tells me where to pick up the roses because I don't know where to pick them up, and it's already like almost 11 and she gets back from school at like 12:30, so she better tell me soon. Alright, so my mom told me last minute that the girl that she wanted to get the flowers from wasn't even open, so I just have to get some real quick. Oh, why am I zoomed in? Oh. Her room is such a mess. I'm gonna clean a little bit and then try to set up. Huh? No. Since the pastries are for both Linda and my brother, I'm just gonna put them in the fridge until they're both here. Oh, she's going wild.
We're supposed to go get food right now.
Whoa, huh?
We're supposed to get good food right now.
Yummy. Let's go inside. Go there, Daddy. Oh. Say happy birthday.
Your birthday present.
Can I have a hug first? Wait, first. Can I have a hug? And a kiss? Oh. There.
Let's get. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
I was expecting her to like. Ooh.
Keep going. You're do?
Theories and suspicions. I'm diagnosed with real nigga.
Thanks.
No.
You want ranch?
Yeah.
You want some ranch?
Yeah.
You're gonna love it.
Oh,
Oh, damn. Look at the fancy
Nail? Yeah, let me see.
New.
You like my nails?
No, my nail done.
You want me to paint them?
Yummy?
Cambiando, va a tocar con Karim Benzema.
What's this?
Bien, el colombiano.
Your toes? Yeah, cute. What are you doing?
Sigue transportando la pelota
You're
al
not.
Serbio. Sasa Lukic.
Watching the
Whoa, Lila farted. Is it good?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Take another bite. Ooh.
Okay, so this is really bad of me, but I'm at the grocery store. I'm about to be very unhealthy.
I'm
Very
not.
happy.
You are.
I am. I'm getting 2. They were on sale for $2, so it's like, why not? Are you excited for the jacuzzi?
Yeah.
Oh, he always bugs me about not going to the jacuzzi with him. The red light. So Carlos really, really, really hates it when there's other people in the pool or jacuzzi.
For the little kids.
Yeah. We're gonna go back in an hour and hopefully no one's gonna be in there. But until then, for round 2. Oh my god, are you serious? Check your key if it unlocks that. I don't understand. They're always locking the pool before 10. So the jacuzzi was a no-go. Very sad. How do you feel?
Sad.
Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the week. Well, basically just the weekend because I didn't vlog all week, but yeah. Peace.